Let's see how to add Hostinger domain to Netlify. First of all, we need to log into our Hostinger Edge panel as well as in our Netlify account. Now from the Netlify account, click on Domains, click on Add or Register Domain, select Add a domain you are already on. Now go back to Hostinger. Here you will see the domain sections. Just copy this domain from here. I want to add this domain, so I am going to copy it from here. Go back to Netlify and paste it here. After that, I will click on Verify. Now from here, click on Add Domain. Now click on Continue from here. And now we need to change the Hostinger domain name servers with these name servers. Go back to Hostinger. Click on Manage next to your domain name. Now from the left menu, click on DNS/name servers. Click on Change Name Servers. Click on Change Name Servers again. Now go back to Netlify, copy the first name server from here and paste it here. Now again go back to Netlify, copy the second one and paste it here. Now copy the third one and paste it here. So we have added all the Netlify name servers. Now click on Save from here and after that go back to Netlify and then click on Done from here. And in this way our Hostinger domain will be connected to Netlify. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.